So what's up, man?
Coolin', man.
Chillin', chillin'? Yo, you know I had to call. You know why, right?
Why?
Because, yo, I never ever called and asked you to play something, right?
Yeah.
You know what I want to hear, right?
What you want to hear?
I want to hear that Wu-Tang joint.
Wu-Tang again?
Yeah, again and again.
Like smoking Joe Frazier, the Hellraiser. Raise hell with the flavor. Terrorize the jam like troops in Pakistan. Swinging through your town like your neighborhood Spider-Man. So tick-tock, keep ticking. When I get you flipping off the shit, I'm kicking. The Lone Ranger, go red, danger. Deep in the dark with the art. Do what they talk to part the vandal. Too hot to handle your battle. You're saying goodbye like Kevin Campbell. Rock neck, Inspector Dex on the set. The battle, I make more noise than heavy metal. The way I make the crowd go wild. Sit back, relax, won't smile. Ray got it going on, pal. Call me the rap assassinator. Rhymes rugged and built like Schwarzenegger. And I'ma get mad deep like a threat. Blow up your project, then take all your assets. Cause I came and shake the frame in half with the thoughts that wrong. Shit like that. So if you wanna try to flip, don't flip on the next man. Cause I grab the clip and hit you with 16 shots and more I got. Going to war with the melting pot. That's the method man for short, Mr. Left. Move it on your left. Set it off, get it off, let it off like a cat. I wanna break food, cut me back. Small change, ain't putting chain in the game. I take game and throw the nigga out the frame. And like bang, my style will live forever. Niggas crossing over like they don't know no better. But I do. True, can I get a soul? Not respect due to the 1-6 school. I mean, oh, yo, check out the flow like the Hudson or PCP. When I'm dusting, niggas off because I'm hot like sauce. The smoke from the lyrical blood make me oh, grab my nut, get school. Here comes my Shaolin style. Smooth beat and bumping why you. Smooth my crew with the come on, baby, baby, come on. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on. Yo, you best to check your neck. First things first, man. With the horse, I'll be sticking pins in your head like a nurse. I'll attack any nigga who's slacking his Mac. Come fully packed with the fat burger stack. Shame on you when you step through too. The whole dirty bastard, straight from the Brooklyn Zoo. And I'll be damned if I let any man come to my center. You enter the winter, straight up and down. That's it. You can't slam. Don't let me get fooled on the man. The whole dirty bastard is dirty and stinking. They so unique rolling with the knife of the creek. Niggas be rolling with a spaz ain't saying can't fight my style. I fight some. Yeah, loud. My style is wild, so book me. Not long is how long that this rock took me. Ejected styles from my lethal weapon. My pen that rocks from here to Oregon. Good morning, it's like a psycho flashback. I love gats, rifles and gun. You ain't bust back. I come with all types of shapes and sounds. And where I lounge, my stomping grounds. I give an order to my peeps across the water to go and snatch up props all around the border. They get far like a shooting star. Sue out all, still on the light. Apollo Escobar. Point blank as I take the square pins. There it is, your pros and here go. Yo, chill, be back black. We don't need that. It's 10 o'clock, home. We don't to see that. You're the mad hostile, ran out hostile. Over like Christ when I speak the gospel. So with the holy roll, then attack the globe with the buckets. Style the ruckus. 10 times 10 men committing mad sin. 20 other chicken, I'll break your shit. Slaying boom bangs like African drums. Coming around a mountain when I come. Crazy flamboyant for the rapping treatment. My planet freeze like black unemployment. Yeah, another one down. Took a genius, they got the out of here. The who was too slamming for these cold killer labels. So ain't had hit since I seen half label. He doing all the sin like Cain get able. Now the money's getting stuck to the gum under the table. That's what you get when you misuse what I invent. Your empire falls and you lose every cent. But trying to blow up a scrub. Now that thought is as bright as a 20-watt light bulb. Should've pumped it when I rocked it. Niggas so stingy, they got short arms and deep pockets. This goes on in some companies with majors to scared to duck the pump these. First of all, who's your A&R? I'm out and climb up and plays an electric guitar. But he don't know the meaning of dope when he's looking for a suit tie rap that's cleaner than a bar soap. And I'm the dirtiest thing in sight. And I'm back, we got the girls and let's have a mud fight. I didn't know when it's unchanged. The times continue to change. Nothing stayed the same, but they were always renegades. Like you said, Tom Hanks and Martin Luther King. Malcolm X, they were renegades. Of their time and age, somebody renegades. We're the renegades of pop. 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 From a different solar system, many galaxies away. We are the force of another creation, a new musical revelation.
Woke up this morning with the sun down, shining in. Found my mind in a brown paper bag within. Tripped on a carousel 8 miles high. Told my mind on a jagged sky. Hey, I dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. Pushed my soul in a deep dark hole and then I followed it in. Watched myself rolling out as I was crawling in. I got so tired I couldn't unwind. So much till I broke my mind. Hey, I dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. See what condition I was in. Baby. See what condition I was in. I got up so tight I couldn't unwind. So much till I broke my mind. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. Someone painted every fool. It makes back that on a dead end sign. I had my foot on the gas since I left the road, and I blew out my mind. Ain't no that I'm Memphis, I ain't got a spare. Ain't no trace of downtown somewhere. I dropped in, check out this condition, my condition was in. Hey, check out the condition, oh my condition was in. Yeah, oh what condition, my condition was in. Ooh, I'm checking it out. I got to see what condition it's in. Yeah, I got to check out my condition and see what more condition. Just make sure it's
No, a lo mejor aún queda. Ah, ya acabó. Igual, la puta.
So what's up, man? Cool and
¡Bravo! Hay que venir.